All right, question 2. We're given some functions and we've got to figure out how to like sum it up as a single trig function. We're going to use the compound angle formulas. They're on your reference sheet. They are here, the ones that say compound angles. You won't need all of these, trust me. Oh, no, wrong one. Oh. I don't know what's going on. Okay. These are the 3 important ones. So here they are. So every time you see sine, cos, sine, cos, you're thinking, okay, every time you see something like looks like this, you're thinking this. Every time you see something that looks like this, you're thinking this. And every time you see something like that, you're thinking that. So I'm looking at question 2a and I'm like, well, that's definitely cos minus sine. So that's definitely cos A plus B. So cos x cos y minus sine x sine y. Literally the only difference is I've got x and y instead of a and b. So that must be cos x plus y. Question B, I've got sine cos plus cos sine, so I'm straight away thinking that looks like sine. So I've got sine 3 alpha cos 2 beta plus cos 3 alpha sine 2 beta. So our big A is whatever's, sine alpha, sine A. I'm going to say that A is 3 alpha. So I reckon it's sine 3 alpha plus 2 beta. It honestly doesn't matter which way around you get it. C, well, that's definitely looking like a blue one. So I reckon the angles we have, got tan 40 take tan 20. Oh, this is interesting. I reckon we've got tan 40 plus negative tan 20, yeah? Over 1 plus tan 40 times negative tan 20. And that's the same as tan 40 plus tan negative 20 over 1 plus tan 40 tan negative 20. So I reckon we've got tan 40 plus negative 20, which is just going to be tan 20. Question D, sine cos sine. I reckon it's a yellow one, but we're going to have I reckon B is negative. So we've got and I reckon that because sine is odd, cos is well, I can't remember what cos is, but I know sine is odd, so sine of like negative x is going to be the same as minus sine of x, yeah? So if we've got sine 5a cos 2a, I reckon that's the same as plus cos 5a sine negative 2a. No, ignore me. I'm completely backing up the wrong tree. I may even be looking at the wrong question. Sorry, we've got a negative in our question. We've got a negative in the formula. No, we don't. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. Yeah, that's definitely minus 2a. So we've got sine 5a cos 2a take cos 5a sine 2a. It just means it's sine 5a take 2a. So the fact that this is a minus is because this was a minus instead of a plus. Which means it's sine 3a, because 5a take 2a is 3a. E, cos, sine, sine. I'm automatically thinking it's one of these ones. That's a plus in the middle. Now this is a minus in our question. Because this is a plus in the middle, one of the angles must be negative. So we'll just go with the second one. Mostly because if we had negative 70 plus 20, the whole thing would have gone weird. F, yeah, obviously this looks like the tan one. Matches it to a T. So that's tan alpha plus 10.